Hello and welcome back to the latest video from Smart Car Automotive. In this video we will be applying paint protection film to this Rolls-Royce Cullinan. With the car being worth £350,000, you can understand why the customer wants to keep it in excellent condition. The car is now in the studio, so now let's apply the paint protection film. To apply the PPF, we separate the car into individual panels. Then the cutting machine will cut the PPF to match the panels. The spray you are seeing here is a slip solution. This allows us to manoeuvre the film onto the panel correctly. The spray you are seeing on screen is a tack solution. This is usually sprayed on the edges of the paint protection film, and this is to help keep the film in place. Squeegeeing the film when it's in position will take the water out and allow the glue to work. How paint protection film works is, paint protection film is a polymer that has elasticity which will absorb the damage that it takes and then return back to its original shape. Now that the PPF is done, we will wait a few hours and then take the car out of the studio. The PPF we applied was a clear PPF, therefore you will not be able to see it on the car. So that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and if you did enjoy the video, leave a like and subscribe. Until the next video, goodbye.